There they are. All right, gotta be quick. Got like 15 minutes to make some dinner, get to a concert, etc. We're gonna make some barbecue nachos. I had like 4 or 5 of these in the bag. We got those started in the air fryer already. Done. We got some leftover Texas Roadhouse, like bloomin' onion type situation. Throw those in the air fryer too. Got about 2/3 of a bag of chips left over. Our Supremo cheese, condiments. Throw it on the tray, put it in the oven for a moment. Be a quickie.
I'm gonna give this bloomin' onion a rough chop just to get into smaller pieces and get layer 1 of the chips down with some cheese. Our chicken made it out of the air fryer, and we're getting our onion petals in there. Kind of cube up the chicken into smaller pieces so it spreads out across these nachos. And layer 1 of the chips is done.
Let's do layer number 2. Back in the oven for a couple minutes. I mean, those are looking better, eh? Dang, gummit. Man down.
And now we've got layer 2 done. We'll get our bloomin' onion and our chicken spread across this, and then another layer of cheese, and we go back in the oven.
Yes.
We'll get some green onions sliced up to garnish this thing.
Let's check. All right.
Is it like chicken with cheese and chips?
Then there's some like those onion ring petals in there too.
What are onions?
Here, go that way. All right, I found a little bit of lettuce. Remember, this is a leftover conglomerate here.
Just don't
Hey.
go away.
You're moving my station.
Sorry. I got my
All right, lettuce on. Now we're gonna go
ranch.
ranch.
Just go.
Ranch on.
Alright, now these.
Now I think we'll go barbecue sauce on half of it maybe here.
So like,
Oh, this is
or just put like
hey,
a one.
back up,
Yeah.
lady.
And a lady.
Barbecue.
Hold
Barbecue.
on. Hi, I'm gonna be you, Barbara.
We'll just do barbecue on half of it here because we don't know whatever we're gonna do.
Wait.
And actually, I'll save the jalapenos for my own. I can't do it without garnishing it a little bit, green it up. There they are. Good stuff right there. Oh boy. What's up? Later, taters.